Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can edit an audio on CapCut PC. So select your audio. It could be a song, it could be you saying something, but mine's just me saying something. So if I want to turn up the volume, I'm just going to go to the right here, and I want to add a fade in. So I'm just going to do that, and a fade out. And I can also enable a noise reduction here, and I'm also going to add in voice effects. There's a lot to choose from, but I'm just going to choose the, microphone one. Just going to add it. You can adjust the strength here, and you can also add in keyframes if you would like to. For instance, at the beginning you want the strength to be 0, so maybe like here actually. And then at the middle, on the middle, you're just going to adjust the strength to 100. And this is what it will sound like at the end. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So it does change here because I put the strength up to 100 again. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. And you can export this as an audio too. So export audio and choose your format and just press export. And that is it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!